Dear students, now today we are going to discuss about the random variable at mathematical expectation for my UG students. So as you have already gone through many times about the definition of random variable, so here only I am going to discuss some key takeaways. A random variable is a variable whose value is known or a function that assigns value to each of an experimental outcome. A random variable can be either discrete, having specific values, or continuous, any value in a continuous range. The use of random variable is most common in probability and statistics, where they are used to quantify outcome of random occurrence. Risk analysis use random variable to estimate the probability of an adverse event occurring. Now, how to understand a random variable? In probability, random variable are used to quantify outcome of a random occurrence and therefore can take on many values. Random variables are required to be measurable and are typically real numbers. For example, the letter capital X may be designated to represent the sum of the resulting numbers after three dice are rolled. In this case, capital X could be 3, 1, 1, 1, and 18, 6 plus 6 plus 6 are somewhere between 3 and 18. Since the highest number of a die is 6 and the lowest number is 1. A random variable is different from an algebraic variable. The variable in the algebraic equation is an unknown value that can be calculated. The equation 10 plus x is equal to 13 shows that we can calculate the specific value for x, which is 3. On the other hand, a random variable has a set of values and any of those values could be the resulting outcome as seen in the example of the dice, uh, which we will discuss here. Okay. A typical example of a random variable is the outcome of a coin toss. Consider a probability distribution in which the outcome of a random event are not equally likely to happen. If a random variable capital Y is the number of heads we get from tossing two coins, then Y could be 0, 1 or 2. This means that we could have no head, 0 means no head, 1 means one head, or both heads on a two coin toss. Okay, it is clear here in example. If head is there, random variable 1, but in case if head is already appeared, then this is 0. The total outcomes probability is 1 by 2. However, the two coins land in four different ways, either TT, tail, or head tail, or tail head, or head head. Therefore, the P y0 is 1 by 4. Since we have one chance of getting no heads, means two tails TT, when the coins are tossed. Similarly, the probability of getting two heads is also 1 by 4. Notice that getting one head has a likelihood of occurring twice in head tail or tail head. In this case, the P probability is 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. Now, another part is, and very close to this, is mathematical expectation. The concept of mathematical expectation arose in connection with games of chance, and in its simplest form, it is the product of the amount a player stands to win and the probability that he or she will win. If capital X is a discrete random variable and fx is the value of its probability distribution at x, then the expected value of x may be expressed as expected value of x is equal to summation of x into fx. Okay. If capital X is a continuous random variable and fx is the value of its probability density at x, then the expected value of x may be defined as minus infinity to infinity x into fx dx. Now, for example, let us look at one numerical example. A lot of 12 TV sets includes 2 with white cords. If 3 of sets are chosen at random for shipment to a hotel, how many sets with white cords can be shipper expect to send to the hotel? Now the solution, since capital X of the two sets which white card and 3 minus X of the 10 other sets can be chosen in how many way? 2 X are, we can symbolically we can write like this: 2X 10 3 minus X ways. 3 of the 12 sets can be chosen in 12C3 or 12 3 ways, and these possibilities are equiprobable. We find that the probability distribution of X, the number of sets with white card shift, to the probability distribution of X, the number of sets with white card shift to the hotel, is given by with the following table: X of X 0, 1, 2, 0 means 6 by 11, and fx is in case of 1 9 by 22, in case of 2 1 by 22. It means fx is equal to 2cx 10 3 minus x divided by 12c3, and for x is equal to 0 1 2, we may write ex is equal to 0. This 0 into 6 by 11 plus 1 into 9 by 11 plus 2 into 1 by 22, and the result is 11 by 22, which is 1 by 2. So in this way, we have calculated the expected outcome. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.